Stina, look! A pirate ship is coming. They want to steal Captain C's treasure. Oh no! We have to protect it. What's the plan, Jana? Squawk! Pirates coming! Hide the gold! Quick! Push the lid down! We need to lock it tight. I got the heavy padlock. Click! It's locked! Squawk! Lock tight! Lock tight! We'll set a rope trap right here on the path. Pirates will never get our treasure. I'm tying the vines tight. This will trip them up. Squawk! Trap the pirates! Trap them good! Quiet, everyone. They're stepping onto the beach. Get ready, Kiki. Hold the rope. Squawk! Shh! Sneaky, sneaky. Squawk! Hey, pirate! Over here! You can't catch me. Wrong way! Squawk, squawk!
Arr! Get these crazy birds off my hat!
Now, Stina! Pull the rope! Pull!
Yay! Whoa!
Who set this trap? Take this, pirate crew! Coconut attack!
Squawk! Rolling coconuts! Strike!
Watch out for the coconuts! Pirate net, drop! Squawk! Trapped in the net! Gotcha! Arr!
We're stuck!
We give up! Push together, Stina! Into the secret waterfall cave! The treasure is safe now!
We promise not to steal anymore! Can we be friends?
Only if you promise to protect the island with us. And no more stealing! We protected the treasure! We're the best team ever! Mission accomplished! The island is safe! Squawk! Pirate team! Hip hip hooray! Thank you for helping us save Captain C's treasure today! If you want to join our next adventure, don't forget to press like! Squawk! Hit that subscribe button! Bye-bye! Follow us on our channel, Jana and Stina. And subscribe to enjoy our next adventures.